In this class, you'll learn how to make Azorean style yeasted cornbread, or pão de milho. This is a delicious bread and extremely easy, extremely versatile. You can serve it with cheeses, soups, stews, main courses, fish, meat, whatever you'd like. It is absolutely delicious. Now this is the way I like to make it. There are many traditional ways to make it, and this is my favorite way. It's very easy. It comes together very quickly in a stand mixer. I walk you through all the steps, including the shaping, and give you recommendations about what type of corn flour to use, and if you can't source it, what are good substitutes. So please enjoy this class. You'll be making this bread for every holiday, for every dinner. You might be asking, is this the same as broa, or the Portuguese cornbread that you have in the continent? And the answer is, it is different. This Azorean version has a more sponge-like texture. It's moist, it's bouncy. It's very different from the dense, rich loaves of the continent, which are baked freestanding, and they have that quintessential, that iconic crackled look. This bread is very different in the sense that it's very wet. You bake it in a cake pan of all things, and therefore it's allowed to bake nice and spongy, beautifully soft. It is a dream to eat. So easy, so delicious. Please enjoy pão de milho.